Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom. The historic journey of Nelson Mandela from apartheid to freedom. Hello, dear student. Today we are going to take a deep dive into one of the most inspiring stories of courage and leadership, the autobiography. Autobiography means a self-written life story of Nelson Mandela, A Long Walk to Freedom. This chapter is a part of your class 10 CBSE English syllabus. Trust me, it is not just a lesson but a powerful journey through history. So we are ready to explore the struggle, sacrifice and victories of this legendary leader. Let's begin. The first non-racial government, a historic moment. Imagine a day when entire country comes together to celebrate the victory of justice over injustice. This is exactly what happened on 10th May 1994 when Nelson Mandela was sworn in as the first black president of South Africa. This was a historic day as it marked the end of racial oppression. Oppression means unfair treatment based on race, and the beginning of a true democracy where all citizens were treated equally. The event took place at the Union Building in Pretoria, where world leaders, dignitaries and thousands of people gathered to witness this momentous occasion. It was the dawn of a new era, an era of freedom, equality and unity. Nelson Mandela's speech, a vision for united South Africa. Now imagine yourself standing in front of a massive crowd filled with hope and excitement. This was how Nelson Mandela felt as he delivered his first speech as president. In his speech, he expressed unwavering hope. Unwavering hope means strong belief that never weakens, for a future where no one would be discriminated against based on their skin color. He thanked all those who fought against apartheid and assured his people that South Africa would never again experience racial injustice. His speech was not just words, it was a promise to his people that the dark days of apartheid were over forever. An impressive display of jets and military power. Now let's imagine something truly grand, a sky filled with powerful jets and helicopters flying in perfect coordination. This was the military display that took place to honor the new government. This was a significant movement because earlier the military was used to oppress black people, but now it was saluting their freedom. It was a symbol of reconciliation. Reconciliation means the act of bringing people together after a conflict, showing that South Africa was ready to move forward as one united nation. A scene of history, the journey from oppression to freedom. Dear students, let's pause for a moment and think about history. Have you ever wondered how much struggle and sacrifice goes into achieving something as big as freedom? As Mandela stood there, he remembered the long journey of his people, how they suffered under apartheid. Apartheid means a system of racial discrimination in South Africa. How many freedom fighters lost their lives and how generations of people were treated unfairly. But that day he realized that their struggle had finally paid off. This moment was not just about him, it was about every person who had fought for justice. The policy of apartheid, a system of racial discrimination. Students, let's take a moment to understand what apartheid really was. Apartheid was a brutal system where the white minority government treated black South African as inferior. They were forced to live separately, denied good education, jobs, and even basic human rights. Imagine being treated unfairly just because of your skin color. Sounds completely unjust, right? Under this system, black were even restricted from moving freely in their own country. It was one of the worst form of discrimination in history. Dear students, let us understand 2 points more. The one thing in this one is the realization of true freedom. Nelson Mandela once believed that freedom meant simply joys, playing in the field, staying out late, and choosing whom to marry. However, after completing his studies and stepping into the real world, he realized that these were illusions of freedom. The true freedom was about dignity, equality, and the right to live without oppression. Another point, a powerful transformation. As Mandela stood as the first black president of South Africa, the military generals saluted him, a moment of deep realization. The same officer who once arrested and oppressed him were now honoring him. This transformation showed that South Africa had finally broken free from hatred and discrimination, embracing true democracy. If you like this video and understood the chapter well, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Gyan Tarang. Stay connected for more such lessons. Thank you.